Once upon a time, in a small town, lived a young man named Alex. He had big dreams and aspirations, but had developed a habit of wasting his time. Instead of focusing on his goals, he would spend hours scrolling through social media, playing video games, and indulging in other unproductive activities. As time went by, Alex's dreams remained just that, dreams. He would often complain about not having enough time to pursue his passions or make progress towards his goals. His friends and family tried to advise him and encourage him to utilize his time wisely, but he would brush off their concerns, believing he had plenty of time. One day, Alex came across an old diary that belonged to his late grandfather. Curiosity piqued. He started reading through the diary entries. To his surprise, he discovered that his grandfather had once dreamt of becoming an accomplished writer. However, due to circumstances, he had to give up on his dream and take up a regular job to support the family. As Alex read about his grandfather's unfulfilled dreams, he felt a sense of regret and realization. He saw a reflection of himself in those pages, wasting precious time that he could never get back. Determined to change his ways, Alex made a decision to value and make the most of every moment. From that day forward, Alex started setting clear goals and prioritizing his time accordingly. He limited his social media usage, set specific hours for leisure activities, and dedicated the majority of his time to his personal and professional development. Instead of wasting time, he used it to learn new skills, pursue his passions, and work towards his dreams. Months passed, and Alex's efforts began to bear fruit. He made significant progress in his chosen field and started achieving the milestones he once thought were impossible. He realized that by using his time wisely, he was able to unlock his true potential and turn his dreams into reality. Word of Alex's transformation spread, and people started looking up to him as a role model. They were inspired by his dedication and determination to make every moment count. Alex's story served as a reminder to others that time is a valuable resource and wasting it only hinders progress and stifles growth. As the years went by, Alex achieved remarkable success in his endeavors. He looked back on his wasted time as a valuable lesson that propelled him forward. Whenever he faced challenges or felt tempted to fall back into old habits, he reminded himself of his grandfather's unfulfilled dreams and used that as motivation to keep moving forward. The story of Alex serves as a powerful reminder to us all to cherish and make the most of our time. Each moment is an opportunity to create something meaningful, to pursue our passions, and to bring our dreams to life. By eliminating time-wasting habits and embracing productivity, we can unlock our true potential and make a lasting impact on the world.